We're back, guys. I'm reattempting Insane Rails. You want to know why? Because they nerfed it. And I think it's getting removed sometime soon. Anyways, yeah. Alright, I know everything, guys. I know how to do everything. And now I know that goes to 40,000. My friend said it took him 3 hours, but what does he know? He was literally doing it on a horse. So if I find a horse, y'all are gonna know. It's 3 hours. But anyways, yeah, W Incorporated playing in the same series of piggy. Alright, let's go. I have chocolate, so you already know. Were they always 20? Yes, they were. Else they like made it to where like all my problems with it were fixed, bro. Did they watch my video? I don't want to get ran over. No, I know they didn't watch my video. I'm not that popular. Even though Lucas the Lucas commented, bro. The first time he commented on one of my videos, I almost freaked out. Alright. Usually there's like a painting with here. Like, where's the painting and the coal we're sitting right here? I also heard that you can use like more things for fuel, like boxes and like chairs and stuff. So I'm gonna be burning a lot of things. I might just take one of these houses. But for now, I think I've gotten everything here. So let's go. Let's go on a road trip, guys. Infinite road trip. Should I do a video on infinite road trip? Oh, usually we'd have a lot more fuel, but it goes down less. Alright. I'm stopping. And also through nights, I'm driving. I'm not getting out. Wait. What is he doing? Oh, let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna get greedy, guys. I'm sorry. I'll get off me. Okay, I might die. Everyone out the house. Because I saw some coal in there too, and some tables and chairs. So I might just have to put them in my sack and then just drive. Oops. Oh no, please! I got a bacon, egg, and cheese. Actually, I'm not gonna say that. Stuff it in the bag. I'm gonna stuff these guys in the bag, and I'm gonna dump them in the river. I probably shouldn't have said that. Got a photo. I can use this for fuel. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Bro, I got school tomorrow, bro. Like, my spring break ended so fast. I was supposed to do daily uploads all week, but I did not do that. Stop moving, trainee. Yeah, I'm just gonna speed off because they're getting close. Oh yeah, I'm just driving for the whole night. Till the stalker comes. Well, if he teleports on me and I'm in the train, I'm just gonna keep driving. $1,000 miles. Oh yeah, there's coal in my sack. I'm not passing so much stuff, bro. Oh no, it's getting to me, bro. 40 miles, bro. Thinking about it just makes me do not stop. Stop taking screenshots. I forgot I was recording. How do I get the coal out of my bag? Oh, let's go. Bro, I was finna crash. Oh my goodness, I was about to crash out. Bro, my train did a whole put back in place. So can it not get derailed or like? I hope not, cause bro, what was his name? That elephant from station. What was his name? Eli? No, bro. How did I forget his name, bro? He's one of my favorites in station. Move. Oh, hi, rodents. Who's that walking up to my train? Who are you? Bro. Oh no. Please tell me I can still drive it. Ah! That scared me so bad. Is that a horse? Maybe I can use the horse. Even though my friend said it took him 3 hours to use the horse. Get off me, bro. I might as well just die to them. How do I ride him? Hi. It's not working, bro. Uh, I'm back. Open. I thought that's at negative 50. I'm like, wait, what? Hold on. Maybe it tells you how to ride horses. That's PC. That's console. Where is mobile? I don't know. Maybe I can take a different approach at this. Hold on. Nah, because I won't have enough for, Actually, hold on. How much fuel does the train start with? 0. Okay, never mind. I was gonna be like, what if I just buy a gun and ammo and then keep it until we get to the first stop, then get some things to fill up the train. Jeff. Oh, time to go. Chugga chugga choo choo. Oh yeah, I'm finna. Hold on. Oh yeah. Finna steal everything, including these infected. Get in the bag, Jackie. No, ugly, no one wants you. Bro, what's going on in here? A family freaking reunion? Rash, aren't you supposed to be in jail? Yeah, no, I'm not getting jumped. It's not worth it. The heathens are in fact following me. What's in here? Okay, maybe there's way too many. There's only 3 houses and there's more infected than can actually live in the houses. He smacked me through the door. Yeah, I'm going back on my train. Where's my train? Where's my train? I'm out of this. Look at them following me. Follow me if you're gay. Okay, I shouldn't make those jokes in 2025. Oh no, they might get in front of the train. I might have to run them over. If I run them over, I'm putting them in the furnace. I'm gonna get all the way to David from BFDI. Oh, seriously? Nope. Bro, it's lagging. Oh. As long as Stalker doesn't come here. I Swiss cheese these monkeys. Come here, Eli. Get off me. Just get on the train. No, I can't drive anymore. No, please! No! Yo! Now I know how people die in zombie apocalypse. Get out from under there. I'm back up. Wait, maybe I can knock the train back in place. Hold on. Huh? Oh, hey, it's daytime. Move. Move, Four Eyes. I'm one tap and I'm out here roasting though. I might die. Eh. No, flat! That went well. That went terrific, actually. This is my last attempt, guys. Man, why did I think this was gonna be easy? Oh, I only lost because I decided to run over infected because they decided to get in front of my train. So maybe I shouldn't just run them. Maybe I'm not gonna run them over. Plus, they probably have lives to live. Open the door. If this doesn't drive, I'm ending the video. Listen here, you fat, ugly train. I'm never, ever, 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 ever going to play Insane Series again. If you don't get your wheels back on these tracks, do you hear me? Now, if you don't get back on, come on, I know you want to. Get back on the tracks right now. Actually, maybe if I back it up. You just made me waste time. Man, you look more dusty than Alfred. Did it just spawn in and jump on me? That bit was terrible. Terrible. Nah. You're dusty like Alfred. And then he jump scares you. Like, that's such a good joke, guys. Like, I'm so funny, guys. Like, even though I accidentally paused in the middle of it, jump scare doesn't matter. Yeah, that was it. Insane Rails. I'm gonna try to beat it on my own, but I'm gonna have to ask someone to beat it for me because it's too hard, bro. Pause. But anyways, peace out. Subscribe, comment. I don't care. Comment and leave me views, guys, because that's how I get money on. Even though I will never get money on off this channel. I'm too young. I'm only 30. But anyways, see you guys. Stay happy. Y'all thought I was gonna forget now.